Hey, this is my favorite shirt.
Oh no, I'm so sorry.
What am I going to do now?
I have a solution. Use Triple C.
Triple C? What's that?
Let me show you.
Triple C, also known as citrus cleaning cube, is an innovative laundry or dish soap that made from hotel soap bars. It is an easy on-the-go carry item suitable to bring anywhere you go. Made from vegan ingredients, Triple C are gentle, eco-friendly, biodegradable, and non-toxic. By using Triple C in water, you can do your laundry or wash your dishes without being wasteful. In comparison to our daily household products, Triple C will not cause any side effects such as dermatitis, headaches, and other illnesses. There are many upsides to using Triple C. With this product, the percentage of water pollution can be reduced as there's no chemicals contained in the product. We use eco-friendly ingredients such as baking soda, which act as a natural softener, and washing soda as a natural cleaner. Besides that, Triple C comes in small sizes, which require minimal storage space and easy storing. Due to its small sizes, it is also easy to carry around, especially when traveling, for a handy characteristic for traveler and dog food.
Environmental pollution has been a big problem throughout the years. One of the pollutions is water pollution. One of the reasons why water pollution occurs is because of the household item laundry detergent. It may seem surprising for some people on why laundry detergent could actually be the cause, but laundry detergent actually affects the environment. The research made to back up this previous statement is the phosphates in detergents can lead to freshwater algal blooms that release toxins and deplete oxygen in waterways. When the algae decompose, they use up a lot of oxygen that affect aquatic lives. Other than that, laundry detergent can affect humans' health, especially through skin contact. Next, laundry detergent can be heavy and burdening to carry around during traveling. Lastly, the reason why we make Triple C is to reduce the wastage of hotel soaps. This is because, according to our research, about 86% of hotel customers do not use hotel soaps provided.
To make Triple C, you need 6 ingredients: washing soda, baking soda, Epsom salt, white vinegar, essential oil, as well as hotel soap bars. Here are the few steps to making Triple C. First, add in grated hotel soap bars into a bowl. Next, add in 1/4 cup of baking soda, 1/4 cup of Epsom salt, half a cup of white vinegar, and 1 full cup of washing soda into the soap. Third, add in 10 to 20 drops of citrus essential oil into the mixture. Lastly, compact it tightly into an ice tray so you can leave it to dry overnight. And then you can use it whenever you want.
Comparing other detergents with Triple C, Triple C is eco-friendly while other detergents aren't. This is because Triple C doesn't contain any harmful chemicals. Next, other detergents are hard to carry around as it is large. For Triple C, it is easier to carry around due to its small cube sizes. Last but not least, other detergents are hard to measure when you use it for your laundry. But Triple C is easier to use because you don't have to do any measurement for when you do your laundry.
So this means this product is useful for housewives, travelers, campers, and boarding school students.
That's right, almost everyone can use this product.
Wow! Hey, so that's Triple C. What a very useful product. I'm going to use it right away after this.